Hello everyone. So how to install PrendeTV app? So yeah, just go to App Store and tap Get, and there you have it. Then you just need to confirm with Touch ID or Face ID or just password. So it's like 69 megabytes. So the idea is that it's a streaming app, but in Spanish, in Espanol, and you can stream channels, watch movies and videos. Of course, I think you need to subscribe. So yeah, you can stream more than 50 channels and thousands of movies and programs to watch on demand. And you can see that there are 18,000 ratings and 4.8 reviews. So yeah, if you just open it up, here is the app. And there you have it. This is how it looks like. And yeah, probably it's not displaying anything because it's only available, I guess, from the territory of United States. So that's the idea. So hope that will work for you. So anyways, thanks for checking out this video.